So today we are going to be working with standard 5 NBT B6, which is finding whole number quotients. So we're dividing 4-digit dividends, which is the number you're starting with, and up to 2-digit divisors, which is the number you're dividing by. So I'm going to show you two different examples of array models. The first one is 92 divided by 4. So the idea behind this is that you're trying to find out 4 groups of what get you to 92. So you're going to start with 92 on the side, and you're going to subtract out 4 groups of something. What they really want you to focus on are friendly numbers. So friendly numbers are numbers that end in 0 or easy numbers to multiply. So usually the kids will start with either 4 times 10 or 4 times 100. If they chose 100, they would know that that gets you to 400, which is too big. So you'll start with 4 times 10, which is 40. While you're doing the work on this side, you have to show it in your model by using base 10 blocks. So base 10 blocks are either a hundreds flat, a tens rod, or a ones unit. So we are showing 4 groups of 10. So our groups go down. So this is a tens rod. That's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, and 4 groups of 10. So this is what we've done so far. When we take that out, we subtract and we get 52. Their next thought is to think of, okay, 4 groups of something else to take away from 52. They'll probably see that you can take another 4 groups of 10. So you subtract it. Again, I'm going to take away 4 groups of 10, which is 40. And I'm going to show that in my model. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 10 rods. When I subtract, I'm left with 12. They'll recognize that you can multiply 4 times 3, so 4 groups of 3 to get rid of 12 with nothing left over. To show that, we show 4 groups of 3 ones. We're dividing by 4, so that goes on the outside. And then our answer comes from how much one of these groups are worth. So this is 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group. So when we count that, we get 1 10, 2 tens, and 1, 2, 3. So our answer would be 23. You can also get that by adding up what your groups you multiplied are. 10, 10, and 3 also equals 23. If we